Creating a strong brand identity is essential for creating a profitable business that customers rave about. Today, I will be sharing the 5 key things that go into making a brand identity and showing you step-by-step how to create a brand identity for your business. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby. I'm a brand designer and business owner, and I teach you how to brand your business so that you can attract your dream customers and clients, have your dream business, and live your dream life. Before we dive into it, make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, leave any questions or comments that you have for me below, and subscribe for more content like this. So let's talk about the 5 key things that make up a strong brand identity. Number 1, it's distinct. It's different and unique from your competition and everybody else in your industry or niche. Number 2, it's memorable. It catches attention and makes an impact that people remember. Number 3, it's flexible and adaptable. It can grow and change with your brand. Number 4, it's cohesive. Every branding element works together to achieve the same purpose, mission, and to translate the same message to your customers. Number 5, it's easy to apply. So it's easy for designers and other people in your business to apply. Okay, so those are 5 key things that you want your brand identity to be or to have. Let's talk about specifics of what goes into your brand identity. I talked about these things briefly in a previous video where I talk about how to create a strong brand guide to always keep your branding consistent. I'll link that video up here if you want to go check it out. I definitely recommend it. But creating a brand identity is actually important to do before you go on to that step. So finish watching this video and then go ahead and watch that video about your brand guide. I'll link it in the description below. So number 1, you want to establish your mission and vision. What does your brand stand for? What is its purpose in the marketplace? And where do you see that brand going? What's the ultimate vision for that brand? You want to come up with 2 statements, your mission statement and your vision statement, and these are the driving factors behind your business and your brand. This is why you created your brand in the first place, why you created this business. These are very important to acknowledge. Number 2, you want to really get down and dirty with your target audience. Who do you serve? With your products, with your services, with what your business represents, who are those people that you're serving, who need your business in the marketplace, and you want to be very specific. So you not only want to describe their demographics, like their gender, their age, where they live, stuff like that. You also want to get down with their psychographics, what their interests are, what their behaviors are, where their pain points are. When you really get specific with their psychographics, that's when you can really be relatable and create content that really resonates with people, and this will help you grow a loyal following and customer base. More specifically, once you describe your target audience, you also want to identify what they're looking for from you. So if you really get to know your target audience, that's great, that's awesome. But what are they looking for from you? What can you help them with? How can you help make their life better? And that's something that you really want to write down, nail down specifically, and stick to with all your communication through your business. And whenever you make a new product or service, you want to reflect back. What does your target audience want and need from you? The next thing is your brand voice and personality. How do you want your brand to come across? Do you want to be bold, friendly, edgy, soft, girly? Like, how do you want your brand to be positioned in the market and come off to other people? I mentioned this in my previous video. You know, some brands are more edgy in that they use swear words a lot in their copy and in their content. But other brands, that wouldn't work. That kind of personality and voice wouldn't work for a Christian brand. That would work for more of a younger, edgier demographic. But for like a Christian brand, they want to come across as honest, transparent, loving. So you want to think about these things. And this goes into who your target audience is and what your brand stands for. This will help you develop your brand voice and personality. Then you want to establish your core values as a business and a brand. So what are the things that are really, really important to you with your business, and what are the things that you're always going to hold true to? Those are the things that you want to write down. Usually businesses have between like 3 and 5 core values that they stick to, and these core values, you want to communicate these. So a lot of people will have them on their website, and this really helps people that visit your website get to know you and relate to you. Finally, you want to come up with your brand story. Like I said in a previous video, stories are super important for marketing. It helps people connect with you, resonate with you, and really relate to you. So your brand story could be personal. So for my business, my brand story is personal about my journey through becoming going through college, getting a job, and then kind of branching off on my own, why I did that, what's my purpose with my business. That's my brand story. You can do yours differently. It can kind of be, about more of the business side of the business. It can be about a story about somebody else that you've helped with your business, but you want to have a strong brand story that kind of lays the foundation for your brand. And you also want to emphasize when you're writing this brand story, because you'll want to post it on your website and use it for types of content like your Instagram and stuff like that, and talk about it a lot. You want to talk about your brand story a lot because this helps build an emotional connection with your customers and clients, but you'll want to emphasize how that relates to them. How does that relate to your target customers and your target clients? Because that's what's really gonna like reel them in. So those are the basics of creating a strong brand identity, and it's really important that you nail that stuff down. The next step would be is to create your brand guide, so you can take this brand identity and turn it visual. So that would happen with designing things in your brand guide. Like I said, I have a video all about that. I'll link it below, or you can click it up here now. Now is a great time to go watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now you know the key components and how exactly step by step to create a strong brand identity for your business, which is super, super important. If you want to know why having good branding is really, really essential for your business, you can also check out this video up here. I'll link it and in the description. But like I said at the beginning, make sure to like this video if you like this type of content, comment any questions or comments that you have below, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.